Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the 4 Torx T8 screws and lifting the backplate. This exposes the PCB. Once done, disconnect the battery so you avoid shorts. Now inspect the micro USB port area closely. Look for bent pins, lodged debris, or corrosion that prevents contact. Use a magnifier or bright light to check alignment. If you see obvious gunk, plan to clean with isopropyl alcohol. If pins are bent, you'll realign or replace the port in the next steps. You now clean the port and surrounding area with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to remove grime. This often restores contact. Then test pin continuity with a multimeter to confirm which pins fail. This tells you if cleaning suffices or if desoldering is needed. Make sure to set up an ESD mat, flux, fine solder wick, and a temperature-controlled soldering iron. Having a known good replacement micro, USB port-ready speeds the repair and prevents further board stress. You desolder the damaged port using a low-heat, temperature-controlled iron and solder wick, taking care not to lift pads. Steady, short heats remove solder without overheating the board. Once free, seat the replacement port, apply flux, and solder the pins and mounting tabs, ensuring tight mechanical alignment so the cable won't stress the joints. After cooling, reconnect the battery, reassemble, and test charging and controller connectivity. If it still fails, try checking solder joints and continuity again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.